I was a candidate for MP also. The second time for the MLA, I'm getting a positive response from the people also. They don't need introduction of Ashwini ML. Ashwini should win. Here we have lost the development. When the Kasaragod was formed here, from that time to till now, it's a MLA from Muslim League. Because of Kasaragod, people are migrating to other states. So I want the people of Kasaragod to stay in Kasaragod. The Karyakarta is giving me that energy. They boost me because from the past years, past 5 years, I am in the politics. Okay, so this is the thing. What is happening when the women leaders are coming up? They want to destroy her only using the character association. So they are still now they are waiting one day or another day. The final day, the lotus will bloom in the Kasaragod.
Hi, hello, namaskar. You're watching KTV India with me, Varsha Venugopal, and right now I'm standing at Kasaragod BJP office, and with me it's none other than ML Ashwini Madam. She's the candidate of NDA BJP, and I'm so lucky that I can see a female candidate so far, because from the morning I'm getting all the male candidates, but finally I can tell that we female are always in the front. So thank you so much, ma'am, for sparing your time with us. How are you, ma'am, by the way?
Yeah, I am fine.
Because I can see how the season, and then you guys are campaigning a lot. I can see how tiring it is, but still you guys are going, meeting the people, talking with them. How are their response towards this campaign and all that?
Yeah, while I'm going to the campaign, the campaigning it's going with a full Josh, and I'm getting a positive response from the people also because I was a candidate for MP also. The second time for the MLA, so the people are very so much. What can I say? They are used means they know me very well because I was a district president. I'm a district president, and I was a MP candidate. So they don't need introduction of Ashwini ML. When I'm going and telling I'm Ashwini ML, they're telling yes, we know that you don't give your name because we are seeing every day in the papers. I'm giving statements in the news channels also. So they are very happy that they are telling that this time Ashwini should win because you are standing with the people of Kasaragod and you speak development of Kasaragod. So here we have lost the development. So we need a development party to come over here who is giving development for Kasaragod. So this is the positive response from the people what I'm getting to keep energy all the time for me.
Ma'am, one cliche question I want to ask you, because because to every candidate I'm asking this, what is the one thing you want to do after winning this election?
Exactly, development. And development is only
Which
the
particular
thing.
sector, maybe?
Because in Kasaragod, from the when the Kasaragod was formed here, from that time to till now, it's a MLA from Muslim League. Okay, last day he told that the candidate of Muslim League, they asked him what you want to do. He told that he want to develop from the under means primary basic needs he should give development, he told. So I got shocked because from the past till now the MLA from the Muslim League, they are not done the primary development. He is telling that. So we are going to do the development from the education sector, health sector, and the job opportunity, because of Kasaragod people are migrating to other state. We are not getting any job opportunities over here. So after the education, the people are migrating. So I want the people of Kasaragod to stay in Kasaragod. So that will be a great step of mine after winning the elections.
Okay, I was going through your Instagram and so much love people are giving to you, must say that. So, what is that one strategy which is Ashwini Madam using to get all this love?
Smile.
That is, it's such a beautiful smile. We can see that.
From morning till night. In the midnight also, if I go for the campaigning, I'll be having same power, same energy, and same smile. So people are asking me how you maintain this, because now also you are so energetic. So the Karyakarta is giving me that energy. They boost me. Karyakartas are around me. They are supporting me like anything. So this gives me boost to go in front of the people, and I give just a smile. So that smile is my strategy to win the love of the people of Kasaragod.
Okay. Maybe this is a myth I'm asking you, being a very curious person right now. I've heard that female candidates struggle a lot comparing to the male candidate. Have you faced this so far?
Yeah. 100%, because I can't say no. Because from the past years, past 5 years, I am in the politics. Okay, within 5 years, I have reached to one extent because I came as a block panchayat member. After that, I became a Mahila Morcha National Executive Member. After that, I became a MP candidate. After that, a Jilla Adhyaksh, president. Now I'm a MLA candidate of Kasaragod. So within a short period, nobody gets this much of opportunities. Okay, so this makes people jealous. Or they want to defeat me, so they are not getting any weapons on me. So finally, they are using weapon of character assassination. So I have heard from past, from the step of Mahila Morcha National Executive, from that also have heard, MP candidate also I heard, district president also I heard. Now also I'm hearing. So after hearing so many times, I told yes, okay, leave it out. The people, they are very jealous of me, and if I give ears to this, I can't reach my point. So this is the thing what is happening when the women leaders are coming up. They want to destroy her only using the character association. So this, let them do. I think they will be happy for a moment, but I want to reach my aim. So I have neglected these words and I'm going front.
One last question, ma'am, I want to ask. There's one more thing coming up, that BJP or NDA alliance usually in Kasaragod fighting for the seat share or the win. So that's a question basically. So what is, like, they are working for the seat share, to increase the seat share rather than winning. So maybe know what is the or wala thing here. Are you fighting for increasing the seat share or winning in Kasaragod?
I want to win. I want to win exactly because from the past many years, the Karyakarta of BJP Kasaragod are struggling here, and many of the senior Karyakarta have struggled to bring a BJP to a strong extent. Okay, so when my campaign was there, I was to go to our leaders' house, senior leaders' house. They are bedridden patients. They are they are lying down. When I go to them, they are telling this BJP candidate has come. Without their knowledge, they are getting water in their house. Okay, sorry, ice. So these things that they are so much dedicated to their work, and they are still now they are waiting one day or another day, the final day, the lotus will bloom in the Kasaragod. So this I want to make it real. So for this sake only I am working hard, because the senior Karyakarta and senior leaders have struggled a lot. So I want to make them happy. How much from my side, if I from my side, how can I work? So this is the thing what I kept in the front of our Karyakarta, senior Karyakarta, so that to small extent I can fulfill their dreams.
Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am, for spending time with us. That was ML Ashwini, madam, with us. This is me, Varsha Venugopal, with camera person Naveen Kumar. Stay tuned to KTV India. Thank you for watching.